Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Michele from the East Hampton Library and I'm here to read you a story today. The name of today's book is called Turtle Splash. Turtle Splash, Countdown at the Pond. 10 timid turtles lounging in a line, startled by a bullfrog. Then there are 9 napping turtles. The day is growing late. A rabbit rustles in the leaves. Now there are 8 lazy turtles resting without care. A red squirrel scampers by the log. 7 still are there. 7 sleepy turtles hear the crunch of sticks. Deer appear beside the shore. Now there are 6 sunning turtles watching ducklings dive. The mother mallard quacks at them. Then there are 5 idle turtles lolling by the shore. Hollywogs swirl by their log. Now there are 4 drowsy turtles, quiet as can be. A butterfly flutters by, leaving only 3 careful turtles beneath a sky so blue. A chickadee chirps in a tree. Then there are 2 silent turtles watch the setting sun. Mosquitoes buzz above their heads. Now there's only one lonely turtle in the fading light. 10 tired turtles settle for the night. Splash! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sleep tight. The end. Well, boys and girls, thank you for sharing the story today, and I hope to see you again for more story times at the East Hampton Library. Bye!